B. So these two cancel. You're going to get it minus minus plus. So it's really A complement plus this.
So it's the same thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, now.
Good. Thank you.
And then is this the last one, like, right? Just when the denominator is equal? And then here's blue values.
All right. Adam.
So is that right?
Yeah, and then your 1/2 will cancel, and so it's really 1/4. Well, this should be plus here.
Oh, so this one's a plus, not minus?
Right, because you're doing minus minus.
Oh. I got you. Yeah.
What's it?
And this one, okay, so that's the formula, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then for this one is this, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So is that right?
That's perfect.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I'm doing so, just in the beginning, like, okay, so A,
A,
that's just asking.
that's fine.
Okay. So, this is like the formula for just the general.
The general or, yes.
Okay. And then, is the complement 1/4?
Yes. Right. 1 minus 1/4. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for this one, then,
Yeah,
that's right.
that looks good.
And then this is over A.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you're,
Sound good?
yeah.
Okay.
6. All three of you?
Yeah, for like us three, could you go?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so. Okay, so number 6 is asking, there's a condition when the probability of C given D equals probability of D given C. Yeah? And so using the hint, it says, use the definition of conditional probability. So it's saying rewrite these in terms of a formula for them. So this is the same as probability of C and D over probability of D. And this is probability of C and D over probability of C. So this is using the hint. The hint tells you to rewrite these based on the formula. Okay? So it's asking you, when are these two things equal? Okay. Well, notice that the top of these fractions are already the same. Right? So the only way these can be equal is when the bottoms are the same. Right? So when P of D equals P of C. Does that make sense? So you would write when P of D equals P of C, then P of C given D equals P of D given C.
I'm done, right? But if you could explain this to me, you know how you had
Which one? Oh, that one?
No,
Okay.
it was and.
Right. So the and one was because you needed it for here.
No, you know how you had done it there before?
Yeah.
Like, you did it this crazy. Okay, you did this, right?
Yeah. You're welcome. Right, because, okay.
If you could explain it to
All
me
right.
again.
So whenever you see and, you got to think when these two things touch or when they overlap each other. Okay.
And or, right?
No, just and. Or means it can be either one of them. It doesn't. They don't have to overlap. Okay. So A or B would be all of inside of the circles, everything.
So A or B could be this also, like that?
A or B, yeah. You fill in both of these circles.
Or,
That's what.
But this is and, so they're
But
always touching.
right, they always have to touch. Okay, so B is this one, right?
All of it.
Yeah. A complement is everything except A.
So it's all of this and B?
And this part of B that's not part of A.
Which one?
This part of B right here. Because this part doesn't have anything to do with A, right?
So,
Okay.
so AC is this part of B. That's what you're saying? Or it's
Yeah, so everything but A. So this is A right here. This is A.
all this.
So A complement is everything but A. So it's the rest. So it includes this little piece of B. Yeah? You see that?
Right. Say it again.
Okay, so
Okay, so this is B right here.
yeah, that's B.
And A is all of this right here.
Yeah.
Now,
Now, A complement. Shade A complement for me.
A complement
Yeah.
is all of this. That's not. Is all of that?
It's all of that and a little bit more. Right?
Oh, it's also B?
It's also that little piece of B, right? Because that's not A, right?
Oh,
That's the part of B that's not A, right? So all of that is A complement. So you're looking for the overlap or where they touch A complement and B. So where do they
it's
touch?
this right here, right?
No, they're not touching that. It's this part.
Oh,
This is where they touch. Yeah?
or
Okay. Yeah. You
yeah,
sure?
I kind of get it.
Okay.
So that's A complement, all of this right here.
Right. So just imagine A, just its own circle,
Yeah.
and then A complement is everything outside of it.
Oh,
it
so
includes
that's
this
what we
part.
don't circle. Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it does include this piece. So that where they touch A complement and B is this part right here.
Yeah,
Okay. So that's the probability you want now,
yeah.
right? And so it turns out this part is if you take all of B and subtract this piece off, you get this.
Oh, so we're trying to find out this part right here,
Yes.
basically.
That's A complement and B.
But since this overlaps this, you won't get all of the.
Right. So you got to take all of B and sort of chop off the
Mm.
little piece that has to do with A.
And B.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, I get it. Thank you. Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
okay.
now.
Yeah.
Because we were trying to look for
Yeah,
this
yeah.
part.
Alright,
But
let
since
me
this
change it, let me
is
change it.
overlap.
So the
Oh.
probability of B minus probability A and B.
Yep.
Okay.
See, so when you draw the picture and you know what you're looking for,
Yeah.
the formula comes already. Right? You come up with it. You're welcome. How we doing that?
We're doing it the just
Two,
I
two
forgot how
thirds.
to-
There you good. Whoa, yeah. Perfect.
And then how do you do 6?
6?
Yeah, last one.
Not A
Sounds,
and
let's
B.
see.
Well, let's
P
see.
events of the sample space. PFC is greater than 0. PFC is greater than 0.
so
What
blah, blah, blah.
conditions is P given, there's PFC given B equals PFT given?
Yeah.
Conditional.
Hey, did you get
Right,
B
so you
right?
have these two conditionals. So the hint tells you to rewrite this in terms of this. Right. This is the conditional probability. This is the formula for it. Okay, so you're going to have C given D, C and D, D. Yeah. You're going to write it for the other one too, and you equal them each other, and then somewhere in there you need to find the condition of when they're equal. Okay, so you're going to end up with this here. Okay, so it's asking you when is probability of C given D equal to probability of D given C.
All right, thanks.
All right, see you later, man. Okay. Are you three working on number 6?
Yeah.
All right, I'll